All right, so I've been on YouTube and I've been like looking to see if anybody was doing deck permits or showing people how to do permits, and it's all over the place. It's not one place that you can go to and say, "Oh, this is how I can do a deck permit," and I can learn it and do it myself. Like a lot of people are not doing something in detail, so I'm gonna do a little series showing people how to do deck permits in specific. I'm gonna show you a cover deck I did, and then go over a little bit of the components that I had on this site, on this permit specifically. So here we go. I highlighted the homeowner's info, personal info, um, just was out of the way, privacy. So for a permit, deck permit, uh, I draw them up in SketchUp first. Probably something good idea to mention that. But this is usually what I include, and I'm not an architect or anything like that, but I get my permits approved, and that's what matters, right? So this is how I do them. First, I got a cover page. I got this cover page where I have a key legend, the overall view of the project and what's happening, homeowner's info, address, parcel number, who did the drawings, all that deal, right? And really important, having an engineer stamp your plans. Then after that, I have a site plan where measure out the property, the house, and all that good stuff. And in this specific case, the property was really big, so I did this is like a zoomed out site plan, and then I got one that is zoomed in, a little smaller, and basically I have to write how far the project is going to be from the property lines and all that stuff, because there's limitations to what you can do within certain property line distances. You know, your septic tank is also really important. Where it runs through, so you're not digging, putting footings or some weight on a septic drain or something. Another overall view, telling them what decking I'm using, cable system, and then so where this is where we get to the good stuff. This is where I mentioned my beam size, joist spacing, brackets I'm using, blocking, all that good stuff. After that, I do like you know, distances for my framing, where everything's going, the deck dimensions, and I got the patio cover dimensions. All these things are important, mainly for the engineer, so you can see that, the calculations, the loads make sense. And I got the details from my patio cover framing, brackets I'm using to attach things, and all that deal. So this specific software is called Layout, and it's different from SketchUp. SketchUp is where you draw things up, 3D, and then if you go to Layout, your layout is gonna be where you bring the plans to life. Where this is 2D. So this is where you can do like a you call out everything, and you draw everything. So in SketchUp itself, you don't call out anything yet. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys all this stuff. So see, this is my starting page. I got the cover page, and then I got and then the 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever pages you need for the project. Um, so yeah, that's all there is to a plan. But it looks hard at first, but it's easy if you do it a couple times, honestly, and it's worth it. It's a good skill to have. So yeah, we're gonna be learning SketchUp and Layout for the plans, and yeah, hopefully this helps some people out there. So this is that specific project right there. Turned out really nice. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do a deck permit, stick around.